Hey everyone, welcome back in tutorial. Are you trying for switching between your phone and computer to chat with your friends and family on WhatsApp? Well, today I am going to show you how to use WhatsApp web on your computer, making it easier to stay connected and productivity. As you know that WhatsApp web is one of the features that allow you to use WhatsApp on your computer just you would on your phone. You can send and receive messages, file and even make voices and video calls. So let's get started to the video. Now you can see here Google search bar, search for WhatsApp web. Now you can see the website of it. So click on that. Now it will send some QR code and which should be scanned by your phone. So open WhatsApp on your phone. For that, go on your mobile screen and search for WhatsApp. Now you can see your page of WhatsApp on your mobile. In that you can see at the top right corner 3 dot. Tap on that. In that you can see the linked device. So tap on that. Again you can see link or device. Tap on that. So use mobile data. Tap on that. Now you scan that QR code for login. Now you can see here loading your charts. So wait for a moment. Now you can see your charts on your WhatsApp web on a computer. So in this way you can connect the WhatsApp web with your mobile device. So if you like this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys on a next video.